Hi guys, my name is Cam. I'm the owner of Neko Bento.
I'm Ikey. I'm from Neko Bento.
Chef Ikey is my husband. This is a family restaurant in Cypress.
Today I show you guys how to make beef yakiniku bento.
Beef yakiniku is one of the very common dishes in Japan, but here in the US, not a lot of places make them. And maybe one reason is the way of cooking, is traditionally it's like slices of beef. So we kind of modify it into our version. We stir fry them first and then we sear them with like flamethrower. So smoky flavor to it. So it tastes pretty good. Yakiniku sauce is kind of like a sweet and savory soy sauce. Flamethrower. The size we choose for bento is like some sweet potato. It's kind of like the dessert for the bento. And we also have some seaweed salad, some cabbage salad, kind of balance out the meat. So it's a good balance. And we throw sometimes like shrimp dumplings, sometimes like pork dumplings. Yeah, just kind of make it a little fun and it changes. It's not the same all the time, just to make customer feel like, oh, like it surprised them a little bit. So we're located at 15202 Mason Road, suite number 400. Come and try our food.